Triangle kung anong setup nila for Later's countdown. Ang ganda, diba? Ang ganda ng building nila. Hoy! Beanie! Look at this! Good morning! So, today is December 31. Ilang oras na lang. Magto-2025 na. Ang bilis, no? Parang sa isang iglap lang. Tapos na yung isang buong taon. And now, we're entering another year. Of course, another chance para magbago. To start over. To achieve new goals and dreams. Or to improve yourself. Today, marami tayong errands because, of course, New Year, ako ang in charge sa pagpe-prepare ng lahat-lahat. We are super excited to watch the fireworks display from our home. And also kasi nearby, Makati, Ayala, meron silang mga performance and countdowns. First, magkakape muna tayo. And then, magsushoot ako ng mga konting photos and videos outside. And then, mag-grocery tayo. I'm also baking cheesecake today. That's our whole agenda. If you want to know the makeup products that I use in my face, meron akong reels or Instagram video na to. So this is our fit for today. We're just gonna go to a cafe in Salcedo. Probably shoot some content or photos there. We're gonna head to grocery na. It's already 9 a.m. And whenever I'm up, gusto ko kumikilos na ako. Gusto ko may ginagawa na ako or lumalabas na ako. Maybe it's one way of me telling myself to be productive at the start of the day. Kasi diba, you always start your day right? Start your day productive. Bakit parang ang tahimik this New Year? Usually pagka ganito, sa amin, mga ganitong oras, ang dami nang nagkakaraoke, paputok. As in, ang gulo-gulo sa labas. Pero doon kasi sa amin, barangay dati, yung dati namin bahay. That's a good coffee shop too. Kaya lang close, probably holidays. And then also, bago lang to, Songkran Thai street food. Actually, hindi ko napansin na sobrang dami na pala na restaurants and coffee shops here in Salcedo. Let's check out yung Omotesando here if it's open. And then, after that, mag-grocery na tayo. Or probably, dadaan ko muna kayo dito sa may yung Ayala. Kasi nakita ko, narinig ko, parang nagsa-soundcheck na sila for the countdown later. Yes, it's open! Let's go! Omotesando Coffee. Later on, we will explore the Ayala Triangle and yung sa Along Ayala kasi they're preparing a countdown concert party for later. Okay, we are done with our coffee. Now let's head to Ayala Triangle kung anong setup nila for later's countdown. And then I'll show you also yung mga shops na meron dito sa Ayala Triangle. If you're planning to visit Makati, you can also walk your dogs here if may mga pets kayo. Kasi pet friendly naman. Every Sunday, meron silang car-free Sunday wherein you can jog and go biking, walk your dogs. Or kung gusto nyo lang na mag-food trip, meron mga bancheto. Ang ganda rin actually ng mga nila, underpass. See? Ang ganda, di ba? And ang linis. I hope ma-maintain natin yung ganito. And sana hindi lang dito sa Makati yung ganito. All over Manila, hopefully. Sana ganito yung feeling din na parang safe naman. There are some areas here in Metro Manila na yung mga underpass na medyo nakakatakot kasi ang dilim. Pero yun yung perks na nakatira ka dito sa Makati eh. So nice to walk here. Ayan, ito parang offices yata to. And then, sa baba, may shops, blue stands, kainan, pick up coffee. Third level, may IV clinic. Naks, paano kaya ako? Charot. Second level, may pick-up coffee. Restaurants, ground level, Margarita, Rolex, and Roomba. Yun yung nandun sa labas. Lower ground level, ayan, may mga, mas marami pang kainan. And then there's also parking if you have car. And then mag-visit kayo dito. Ang totoo niyan, nagpapa-aircon lang ako. Kasi ang init ng suot ko. Pinusto mo yan, di ba? Panindigan mo. Ay, ang ganda. Perfect. They have pick-up coffee. Ito, super affordable coffee. And I must say, not sponsored. Masasarap din ang kape nila. Pick-up coffee. Baka naman. Charot. And then yung tagusan nito guys, yung dun sa garden na. And alam mo, ang daming cats. You can pet them, feed them. Ayun, super cute nila. And ang tataba. Bago tayo lumabas dun sa garden, let's explore first the shops here. Parang mga high-end shops yung mga nandito actually. Kukunti lang yung parang medyo afford ko. Oh, ang ganda ng interior. Diba? Parang medyo Japanese style, no? Japanese style na modern. Ito, wala pa palang IV. Opening soon pa lang. Sayang pa, paano sana ako? Papa-facial. Uy! Ang eme-eme mo. Ayan, kinetics. Ito parang gym. Membership gym. Kaso parang ang init, tirik na tirik yung araw pag mga ganito. Siguro maganda siya sa gabi. Or kapag kami mga fireworks display, ganon. Pero not sure lang if pwede lumabas dyan. Kasi parang hindi pa siya fully developed or hindi pa siya masyadong gawa. And this is Chumura. Oh, ito pala yun. Chumura yung Japanese restaurant na medyo high-end din. Yeah, look at that. Tignan mo yung interior niya. Diba? Parang same na tong interior ng buong shops. Bakit ganun? Chumura yung pangalan niya, no? Pero ang mahal. Redefined urban flavors. I think fine dining siya. And then, may balcony siya dito. Or meron siyang outdoor na kainan. Look, ang ganda! Alam mo, hindi ko na-explore pa tong side na to ng shops ng Ayala Triangle. Look! So nice. Yan, helm. Then, dead end na. Anyway, let's go and explore the basement floor. Ito tayo sa may basement. In fairness dito sa Ayala Triangle ang daming Instagrammable spots. We have here Italianis, and then Nanyang yung nandun sa dulo, and then Rustan's Marketplace. Yan, you can shop and buy groceries here. Then eto, may mga breads also. And then, El Pollo Loco. Meron din guys, in case you're wondering, mga ATM machine, BPI, Bread Talk. Yan. Meron din restroom dito actually. Salad Stop. Uy, parang bago to. Hindi to Salad Stop dati. Yung parang bago. Salad Stop and then Milk Patisserie. Nagi Sushi. Marami Nagi. Amici. And also Digital Walker if you want to buy gadgets, mobiles, and of course Starbucks. So those are the shops here in the basement. So in case na magpipiknik-piknik kayo dito or tatambay lang kayo, you can buy food here in the shops at Ayala Triangle Garden. And soon to open Crystal Jade Hong Kong Kitchen. Ang ganda! Oh, ang ganda ng garden! You know, perks of living in Makati. In case na burn out na kayo sa work or ang dami nyong ginagawang trabaho and so on, then you want a breathe of fresh air, yeah, you can walk here in the Ayala Triangles Garden. Bukod sa dining dito sa the shops, meron din sila dito outside sa may garden mismo. Yan, look at that. Oh, ang ganda diba? Ang ganda ng building nila. Maganda sana kung sa rooftop, meron sila yung parang Shibuya Sky type. Yung may parang attraction sa taas. And then, pwede kayong pumasok or umakyat. Tapos may ticket, ganon. Ayan, cute ang pusa. Ayan na. Meow, 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 meow.
Garian, nautak.
Meow,
Don't touch it. The look is not so good, you know.
Ah, it's not friendly.
Yes, not friendly. It's not friendly.
Ah, okay.
Da, mâncați ai nasul. No, peace, mic.
Maybe at first only.
Yes, but I want to take on my arms.
No,
and
no,
then
no, no.
shh, shh, shh.
You can just pet
Just
them.
touch.
Yeah.
Yes. Ooh.
Maybe they're scared if you
Yes,
grab them in their
yes.
arms. They let you
Yes,
pet them.
she's happy now.
Yeah.
Bye. Happy New
Bye!
Year.
Happy New Year! Alabit mo daw siya. Ay nano. Be. At man naman siya kinalmot. Ayaw mo nun, dadalhin ka na niya sa America. Charot. Cute, diba? So many cats here in Ayala Triangle. Pero wag nyo lang sila i-grab. Ayun o, nagpapa-belly rub nga sila eh. Ay, nilayasan na niya ako. Sige na, bye-bye. Every December here in Ayala Triangle, usually meron sila yung dancing lights here in Ayala Triangle. Kaso I think ngayon hindi na nila ginagawa. Wala lang yung mga dancing lights. Probably kasi medyo maayos na and maganda na yung mga grass and yung garden. So if maging crowded siya and then may mga taong pasaway, probably na hindi magtatapon ng basura sa maayos na lagayan and who would probably step on the plants and grass, masisira siya. So I think that's the reason kung bakit hindi na sila nagkaroon ng dancing lights this year. Ano na lang, ganito na lang, you can just walk at night and then meron parang solemn na Christmas music surrounding here the garden. And then also this one sobrang ganda ng idea to. Pick a book and then replace your old books. Tama ba? Magte-trade lang kayo ng books. So honesty is the best policy here. Pwede kang kumuha ng books, any books here. You can exchange your old books, diba? Para at least magamit naman and hindi siya sayang. Share a book, stay and read, help us grow our library. You can also read the book na nandito kung wala kayong pang-exchange ng book. Pero hindi nyo siya dadalhin. Diba? Sobrang ganda na naisip nila. Oh, ayan na. Nagsiset up na sila for later. Ayun na, pinasara na nila yung Ayala Avenue for later's event. Ito may DJ. I think. DJ for party music. I think. Tingnan natin yung setup for later. Hoy! Bini! Oh my God! Pala yung mga guests nila mamaya. Grabe! Star-studded! Gary V, Glock 9 Bamboo, and a lot more. Aside from that, may mga parang bancheto later. May mga food stall, drinks. Uy! Ayan na, sound check na, B. Ito yung stage nila. Tingnan natin yung main stage. OMG! Bini! OMG guys! Bini! Oh my God! Buti na nandaman ako ngayon dito. Dahil for sure mamaya, hindi ko na sila makikita dahil nandun ako sa dulo. Mahiwagang sa namin, eme OMG talaga. Bini, nandito yung ninth member niyo. Hello, charot. Ang ganda ng boses ni Gary V. OMG. Siyempre, singer yan eh.
Pegada pang tumatakbo.
Diba? My God! OMG, hulas na ako. Hayop. Ang init, bumilad ako sa araw para lang mabidyoan sila. That's the closest. Yun yung pinakamalapit na wait up sila. OMG! Bini, tsaka si Gary V, tsaka si Glock 9, tsaka si Bamboo. OMG! Pero feeling ko hindi na ako makakapunta dun sa harap. I mean, hindi natin sila makikita sa malapitan kasi nga, feeling ko mamaya sobrang daming tao na. At least, naka-free concert tayo ngayon at sobrang lapit pa. OMG! Ang ganda ng boses nila kahit walang Gary V, tapos Bini. Ano pa lang yun sound check pa lang. Plakado na ng boses. Ganun din yung boses ko kung hindi lang ako napaos. Anyway, here are the shops in Ayala Triangle. Common coffee roasters here. Yeah, some shops also. There's also opening soon, Nok Manok. Parang Thai food yata to. Kazu Cafe. Pasta, coffee, sandwich, and dessert. Ang ganda rin ng interior niya actually. Parang medyo Japanese modern. Then, proper coffee roasters. Ang daming coffee shop, no? Ito, okay din yung mga coffee nila dito. Meron din namang foods. And breakfast. Here, opening soon, PST Pizza Studio Tamaki. And also yung Kong. Na-try namin sa may Salcedo banda. Not sure, maybe they're moving na. Manam Comfort Food, Filipino food. Manam Comfort Filipino food. And then Greyhound Cafe. This is Thai food. So, yun lang yung mga restaurants dito outside Ayala Triangle. We just want to have a peaceful and fun New Year party. So sana lahat tayo ay maging disciplined and makipag-cooperate with the rules and regulations of the concert. Also, walang iinom sana, no? Sa mga party na ganito para at least walang gulo na mangyayari. Bawal din siguro na magdala dito ng mga beverages kasi baka mamaya magbatuhan, kagulo, you know. Pero naman actually mga binibenta sa loob ng mga drinks and food in case na magutom kayo. I guess wala naman sila doon yung mga anything na glass can or anything na pwedeng maka-harm sa mga ibang mga nanonood. I'm excited for later. OMG, parang ngayon lang yata na may ganitong concert. Or probably kasi wala kami dito lagi sa Manila kapag ka New Year. Kaya hindi namin alam kung paano ba yung concert or kung paano ba yung mga New Year's party dito sa Pinas. Grocery na tayo ng mga kailangan. Okay, I got our groceries na. Nakabili na ako for our cheesecake and yung pang luto natin for our lobster and scallops. Now, let's just head home and freshen up. And then, doon na rin din tayo magla-lunch kasi may food pa kami na leftover kagabi. Let's go! Aside from the underpass pala, guys, meron na rin dito sa may ibabaw na tawiran. Baka siguro for example, yung mga may kapansanan, probably, that's why they made pedestrian na dito na lang sa ibabaw, yung hindi na underpass. Kasi medyo mahirap din. Sobrang iksi lang naman yung tatawirin mo. The weather is so nice today. We saw Beanie, Gary V, like up close. Tapos nakapag-grocery tayo and we get to walk and have coffee outside. And I get to show you the shops here in Ayala Triangle Garden. So if you're planning to visit here, take your family with you or your kids with you, marami siyang pwedeng gawin dito sa Ayala Triangle. Happy New Year, everyone! Thank you guys if you're still watching my video up until this day. And thank you for the support. Sana mahaba pa yung pagsasamahan natin.
Darling, I get you on my mind when Christmas comes to town. It's getting cold, baby. I just want you close. I got all this joy in my heart, and if it's getting dark, yeah, we can go inside, baby. Won't you hold me tight?
So let's just drop by and check out the New Year's Eve concert bago tayo bumalik. Kasi may mga theater, theater singers na magpe-perform. Pero baka di na tayo abot ng Beanie kasi doon na natin panoorin yung fireworks sa bahay para mas maganda yung view. Last year, Thailand naman kami. May ganito rin sila actually, concert, mga artista, tapos may mga taong pumupunta. Pero di namin halos nakita yung stage kasi sobrang daming tao talaga. Also, di rin naman namin intindihan kasi iba yung language nila. Let's try to experience the Philippine concert New Year's Eve countdown here in Ayala. So yung GA nila guys, free lang. Tapos meron silang VIPs and yung may isa pa nakalimutan ko kung ano yung tawag, may bayad din. Pero I think sold out na yung tickets nila. Look at that! Yan. Tapos ito yung mga CR. Portalet CR. Meron din yata dun sa unahan. Medic first aid. Dito yung DJ mamaya. Party party. May mga screen pa sila. Para pag maraming tao, kita. Almost done! So we have here our baked lobster and then meron tayong cheesy scallops and also cheesecake. Malapit na yung mga fireworks. Tatakpan pa namin yung handa namin kasi naantay pa namin matapos yung isang lobster. Happy New Year! Look at this! As 2024 wrapping up, I just want to take a moment to look back on all the ups and downs. The challenges, the tears, and the lessons learned have shaped me into who I am today. I'm beyond grateful for every experience and every person who supported me along the way. To all my viewers, thank you for being a part of this journey. I couldn't have made it without you. Here's to facing 2025 with strength, hope, and gratitude for all that's to come. Happy New Year, everyone!